Hello guys, so if you're interested in learning more about Deriv or you want more detailed lessons, this is what you can do. Go to YouTube, type in DerivNavigatorAcademy. Once you type that in, this is what you will see. This is the first thing you will see. I want you to proceed and click on the name of the channel. Alright, once you click on the name of the channel, this is what you will see. Alright, the For You literally shows only the most recent videos. As you can see, these are all the recent videos. Alright, now let's say you want over under videos. This is what you can do. Go to playlist. Alright, now once you go to playlist, you will see we have various categories. Alright, we have the Deriv bot categories, but we have only videos that cater for bots in Deriv. Let me click it. As you can see, are bots necessary, bot mistakes to avoid, how to set up Wall Street, best beginner bot, how to set up a bot from scratch, and so on. Alright, let's say you want to trade over under, you want to learn more about over under. As you can see, we have 25 videos on over under. Just click on over under. You will find every video on over under, over 1, over 2, under 3, every. But then you have made like every. Okay, let me show you. As you can see, you have over 1, over 2, over 3, under 1, under 2, under 3, under 4, under 5, under 6, under 7, under 8, under 9. We have every over and under trade type that has a video individually. You want to learn more about matches and differs? Come and click matches and differs. You will come and learn the digit 8 matches strategy, the digit 9 matches, digit 7 matches, digit 6 matches, 5 matches, until digit 1. Alright? You want to learn more about differs? We have the differs strategy. We have everything here. Okay, now let's say you want to learn even odd. Once again, click even odd. You will find the even odd bot strategy, the even odd part 1 and part 2, where part 1 covers even and part 2 odd. Alright? Let's say you want to learn more about rise and fall. Click on rise and fall. You will see a video on rise and fall. Okay? Let's say you want to learn about candle charts. You don't know candle charts and you want to understand them. Click on candle charts. You will see videos on candle charts. You will see the ranging market, time frames and top-down analysis, pin bar candlestick strategy. You will see trading tactics that you should use, what is support and resistance, how to trade trading markets, and so on. Alright? Now, you want to trade, what else have we not covered? Introduction. You are a new trader, you don't know anything about trading. Click on introduction. You will see all our introductory videos to trading in Deriv. So if you are either a beginner trader or a professional trader and you want to enlarge your trading knowledge, Deriv Navigator Academy is the channel for you. And the good thing about this is, if you subscribe, just send a screenshot of you subscribing. Okay, just so once you subscribe, let me show you. Once you come here, all right, and you subscribe, all right, like that. Okay, I cannot subscribe because it's my channel. Once you subscribe, just send a screenshot after you have subscribed to the number on my bio, and I will give you one good bot. All right? Yeah, so this is the channel for you guys. If you have any inquiries, please put them down in the comment section. All right? And every person who comments gets a free bot. So let me know if you need anything. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much. Please make sure you follow, guys, so that we continue widening our reach. Thank you once again for watching, guys, and good luck.